Hello and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for masala paratha. These are quick, easy, delicious and spicy parathas. Ideal for your breakfast or for your lunchbox. Let's see how to make it.
We'll begin with making the dough. Here I have taken 1 cup, about 125 grams of wheat flour, that is atta. You can use plain flour or maida as well. Into it we'll add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee or any cooking oil and mix them really well. We'll knead the dough by adding warm water a little at a time. You'll need approximately half a cup of water to make a soft dough. We'll keep kneading the dough for about 5 minutes and then shape it into a ball. Smear some ghee or oil to prevent it from drying. If you have time, it is best to rest the dough for about 20 minutes to get really soft parathas. In the meantime, we'll prepare the masala or spice mix. We'll take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. So these are the main spices. Then I like to add some additional spices which are optional. Half a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder, quarter teaspoon of amchur or dried mango powder. I'll also crush half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, quarter teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds and add them to the spice mix. Then we'll make a smooth paste out of these spices using 1 to 2 tablespoons of softened butter or ghee or any cooking oil. So the spice mix is ready. Alright, after resting the dough, we'll knead it again for about 2 minutes and then divide it into 3 equal portions if you want medium sized parathas or 4 portions for smaller parathas. It is up to you. We'll dust the working surface with loose flour and roll out the dough into a flat disc. Don't worry about the thickness or shape. I'll also divide the spice mix into 3 equal portions and spread 1 portion on the rolled out dough. Spread it into a thin, even layer. And then shape the dough as shown here. And again roll it out into a circular disc of 1 millimeter thickness. You may use as much loose flour to prevent it from sticking. Then dust off the excess flour. Now it's time to cook the paratha. I have here a pan heating on medium high. We'll add a spoon of ghee or oil and place the paratha. After a few seconds, you'll see the formation of air bubbles on its surface. You may press and rotate the paratha using a kitchen cloth to ensure even cooking. And then apply some ghee or oil on the surface and flip it to cook it on the other side as well. You may smear it with more ghee or butter or oil on the top surface as well. So here all the 3 parathas are done. They are really soft and flaky with layers of spice inside because of the way we roll the dough and the use of butter. You may serve them as such or with some plain yogurt or ketchup or green chutney and chai.
So that was my recipe for quick and easy breakfast recipe, masala parathas. Hope you liked it. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell to keep watching my new videos. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.